Hello everyone, I'm Gian Riz. I'll teach you how to solve the ROP, reorder point, and EOQ, the economic order quantity. But first, let's read the learning outcome. Number 1, computer the appropriate reorder point ROP, considering demand during lead time and safety stock. Number 2 is analyze inventory management, problems and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. Number 3 is interact the results of EOQ and ROP calculation to make informed decision about ordering schedules and stock levels. But this time, I'll teach you how to solve the reorder point. So, what is ROP? The reorder point, ROP, is the stock level where you need to place a new order so you don't run out of items. It helps make sure the business always has enough supplies and avoid running out of stock. So, this is the formula. Reorder point, ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. So usage is how many stock we'll use. Then the lead time is how long it will arrive or deliver. Safety stock is extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demand or delays. So this is our given problem. If the company's expected daily usage is 750 pieces of eggs, the anticipated delivery is 10 to 15 days. When will the company place the reorder? So now we're going to do step-by-step computation. So we're going to use formula ROP. ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. So first, we need to multiply the usage times lead time. 750 times 10 days equals 7,500. Then we multiply the safety stock. 750 times 5 equals 3,750. Then we're going to add. So we get 11,250 pieces of. This time, I'll teach you how to solve EOQ, economic order quantity. So what is EOQ? Economic order quantity, EOQ, tell us the best number of items to order each time. It helps us order the right amount so we don't order too much or too little by using EOQ. The company can save money because it reduces ordering costs and storage costs. So here's the formula of EOQ. EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So first, O is cost of placing an order or the order cost. Second is N. N is number of units required annually. The third is C. C is annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. So here's the given problem. Number of refined white sugar per kilo required annually, or N, is 4,890 kilos. Cost of placing an order, O, or O, is 350 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year of inventory, or C, is 12 pesos. Let's determine the following. A, EOQ. B, number of order per year. C, total ordering cost per year. D, average inventory. E, total carrying cost per year. F, total cost. So now, we're going to do the step-by-step computation. So, we're going to solve the EOQ. The formula is EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. Then we're going to multiply the 2 times 350 pesos times 4,890 bottles divided by 12. So the answer is square root 285,250. So the square root of this is 534.9 kilos. It means we should order 534 kilos per year. We're going to find the number of order per year. So the formula is NO equals N divided by EOQ. So we need to divide the 4,890 kilos to 534.9 kilos. And we get the 9.16 orders. It means we should order 9 times a year. Letter C, total ordering cost per year. The formula is TOC equals NO times OC. So we're going to multiply the 9.16 orders by 350 pesos and we get 3,206. It means the total amount we spend on ordering each year is 3,206 pesos. So D, average inventory. The formula is AI equals EOQ divided by 2. So we're going to divide the 534.9 kilos into 2. So the answer is 267.5 kilos. So this means we usually have 267 kilos of sugar in the storage. So let's proceed to letter E, total carrying cost per year. So the formula is TCC equals AI times CC. So we're going to multiply the 267.5 kilos by 12 pesos. And the answer is 3,204.6. So last is letter F, total cost. So the formula is TC equals TOC plus TCC. So we're going to add 3,206 plus 3,204.6. The answer is 6,410.6.